The natural mind is built to constantly desire the better things. Consciously or not, you are always striving to improve, develop, and be a better version of yourself. I mean, if you're not making an effort to grow, then I don't know what you are doing. Growth is hard, yes, but stagnation is death. It can really suck for you to be the idle person in a world of rapid emotion. Now, the opportunity to develop oneself have gone far beyond just knowing what to do, but doing what you know. That is why in this video, I'll be showing you 10 practical steps to develop yourself. Number 7 stood out for me. Make sure you watch this video to the end and you tell me which of the numbers stood out for you the most. Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Blessing and I make self-help videos. If you're seeing me for the first time, then you might consider clicking the subscribe button so that you can see me more often. The first step to take in order to develop yourself is to have a sense of responsibility, doing what you are supposed to do without complaining. What makes one person better than the other is how much responsibility he's able to take, how much hardworking and reliable he is. The funny thing is, both working hard and staying idle are difficult, just that one is more productive than the other. And if you think you'd rather stay idle and nonchalant, then wait till you are called irresponsible and purposelessness slaps you on the face. Taking up responsibility goes a long way from making decisions to become better, taking actions, changing strategies, and staying resilient. Some problems are unnecessary and can be avoided. They're just dependent on you and when you decide to take action. So make your decision now unless you are still comfortable with your current state. Raise the bar high. Enough of shifting responsibilities, complaining about problems, waiting to get fixed by someone else. Take the bull by the horn and make a shift. The second practical step to improving yourself is to aim towards personal growth. Personal growth and self-development are often used interchangeably, but they are not the same. Personal growth is the branch of self-development, where self-development is the tree. If self-development should be likened to a car, then personal growth is the destination. If self-development should be likened to a race, then personal growth is the trophy or the finishing line. Personal growth is what you are bound to achieve when engaging in self-development, when developing yourself. Both of them are the process of consciously developing yourself or improving yourself. Just like self-development is vast and wide, and personal growth is deep and more concise and precise. Self-development comprises of things like learning a new language, learning how to drive, and other things. While personal growth involves improving the aspects of your life, like the spiritual, social, emotional, mental, and physical life. If you want to know more about personal growth, then you can check out my first video where I spoke on everything you need to know about personal growth. The third practical step to improve yourself is developing your skills. A skill is the ability to do something well, typically gained through training and practice. It represents competence in a specific task or area, encompassing both knowledge and the practical application required for effective performance. Skills can be learned, innate, developed through experience, and they play a crucial role in your personal and professional success. Skills can be learned through formal education, training program, on-the-job experience, or simply through repeated practice and observation. Examples include tailoring, catering, video editing, copywriting, others like communication, networking, and leadership skills. The fourth practical step to take in order to develop yourself is to have a mentor. The fastest and easiest way to learn something or try something is to learn it from someone that has done it before. No matter what that thing is, learning from someone that has passed through that process is very much easier and it will save you a lot of stress. Experience is not the best teacher because you don't have all the time in the world to experience before you learn. On the contrary, experience is a very hard teacher. Substitute a trial and error method with mentorship and accountability method. Find someone that has lived or is living the kind of life you want to live. Someone that will hold your hand and lead you through. That will tell you do this or don't do that. And watch how you will develop quicker and faster without stress. Number 5 is similar to number 4, and it is surrounding yourself with people of like mind. The difference is that you may not necessarily be accountable to them. When you stay around low-minded people, it's just a matter of time before you start thinking like them. Be careful of the people you are exposed to, even in your social media platform. Be careful of the things you consume. Don't listen to just anyone. Don't stay around casual people, jokers, or mediocres. If your 4 closest company are fools, then you are the 5th fool among them. If your friends and loved ones does not share the same value as you do, then it's okay to not be so close to them. Whether we like it or not, the company we keep will always rub off on us. So surround yourself with people of like mind. Not only will it make you grow easily, it will also keep you disciplined through and through. The sixth practical step to improving yourself is to develop your emotional intelligence. That is the ability to understand, use, and manage your own emotions positively in order to reduce stress, communicate effectively, empathize with others, overcome challenges, and diffuse conflict. This will go a long way to improving your behavior, character, attitude, actions, and reactions. The seventh practical step to take is to acquire the right financial literacy. Where are those people that used to say money is the root of all evil? Please uproot that your root of all evil and come and plant it in my backyard. Let it be growing for me there. Learn to earn, save, and invest. Grow your asset column more. As a matter of fact, your asset column is supposed to increase on a daily. With more money, it is easier to live a dream life. If you are still a student, or maybe you are still a child and you are not yet able to work, then you can start by learning how to save. Just with small money you are getting, learn how to save now. Start reading books that will increase your financial literacy. The eighth practical step to take to improve yourself is to increase your curiosity level. Someone is going to tell me curiosity catches the cat. Yes, curiosity catches the cat, but answer sets it free. You have to be on the move. Be inquisitive so that you can learn and grow every day. Otherwise, you keep passing opportunities out regularly and you stay poor and underdeveloped. The ninth practical step is tracking your progress. This includes self-examination and seeking feedback. Knowing which areas you excel on and which areas you need to improve on is very essential for self-development. Lastly, number 10 practical step to take is to set your goals. Set both your long-term goals and your short-term goals and make sure they are smart, precise, definite, and achievable goals. In the sense that they are not ambiguous. Not when someone asks you, what are your goals? You say, I want to be successful. How? Instead, you can say, I want to get a job, I want to start a business, I want to learn a trade or learn a skill. If your long-term goals is to read 50 books by the end of this year, then it means your short-term goals will be to read 4 books every month. That means to finish 1 book every week. Your goals should be finite. They should have a time frame so that you don't sleep on it. You'll be able to track your progress. And they should also be achievable, not something you would have to go out of your way or set out in order to achieve. In conclusion, make sure you create your own routine. Very important. Make your schedules a night before. The easiest way to achieve your goals, no matter what they are, is to create a system around them. Create your routines, make your schedules a night before, and beat yourself up to fit into your plans. Without discipline, you'll be a city without walls. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, then consider supporting by giving it a thumbs up. Don't forget to tell me which of the numbers stood out for you in the comment section. Do have a lovely day and see you in the next video.